Que lo que mi gente, it's your boy Dio. In this video, I'm going to be comparing two windscreen sizes for the Road Glide by Memphis Shades. So stay tuned and enjoy. So the 6.5 is almost like a sporty type of look to it, but this is only, I believe, a 4-inch. So the 6.5 comes up just a tad bit more. And what I like about it is that it has that lip. So I don't know if you guys can see that lip. So that is supposed to send the wind up and above your head. This one doesn't. This one just goes straight back. So anyways, installation is going to be very simple. You have 4 screws. You got to just take out, swap out the windshield, and that's basically it. Over here testing how high. Yeah, like, so it's definitely above my helmet. I feel no buffeting. I basically feel no wind on my eyes right now with the visor up. Something that bothers me already is a little bit of distortion coming from basically right at the horizon level, right at the point where my field of vision lines up with the floor. There's a little bit of some distortion there. I'm looking at it now, I'm just getting dizzy. Woo. Whoa. I mean, if you can get past the distortion, it should be fine. But anyways, to really test the performance of this, I really got to get on the highway. So I'm gonna pick it back up when I get on the highway, guys. So, I'm gonna try to do shield up. $70 miles per hour. Windshield up on the helmet. No glasses. No type of protection. And I really feel no wind. With the shield down, there's really no buffeting. Like it literally clears my whole head. And then on the sides, basically the whole upper torso is covered with this shield. Really nice coverage. Wow, this is nice. I could get used to this on long rides. Nice, man. Pretty cool. Yeah, so I mean, got up to 70 without even putting the shield down. I mean, that's almost impossible with any other shield. You know, let me rephrase that. With any other shield that's smaller. So anyways, I'm gonna go back, swap out to the smaller one, and basically do the same run and see the difference. I mean, I could already tell this is gonna be a beast, but I want to see if the 6.5 offers similar type of protection. So we'll check that out and take a look. See, with this one, there's a distortion. I'm not gonna lie, there's still distortion there. but it's a lot less intrusive because the shield, I guess the lip is a little, obviously it's a little shorter, so it doesn't look as bad. Yeah, I don't have to like reach over so high with my vision to see what's in front of me. So it does, I guess, feel a little better. I'm up at 70. Definitely can't ride with the shield up and no sunglasses or anything. But like I said, I definitely feel it. Actually, it is clearing my helmet, but the wind is dispersing a little bit wider because it's a little shorter. Oh, but this feels pretty good too, man. Yeah, there's nothing. Not nothing again. You don't really feel much here. Up here, yes, yeah, definitely. My hand goes behind my head, but wow, that wasn't bad at all, actually. That was pretty comfortable with the 6.5. You know, so I think that just kind of solidifies the idea to me that the 6.5 is more of a everyday type use. You can see the potholes, you can get around them. Hey, there's really no, distortion. Really, there is, but it doesn't really bother you. You feel the view. Yeah. So for me, in my personal opinion, definitely 6.5 if you're not doing long miles. 6.5 for sure. So a person like me that I live in the city, the Bronx to be exact. If you guys must know, I live in the Bronx. But yeah, so definitely 6.5 is a little better just for kind of commuting to work or, whatever. However, I will say this, the 10-inch does block a lot more wind. So when it gets colder out, guess what I'm going to be putting on the bike? Hell yeah, man. That 10-inch, because I want that wind to be blocked. Now, it really does depend, though. Because if I'm going to go out for like a long ride in the winter, then yeah, for sure, do the 10-inch. But if I'm just going to go for a short, quick cruise and it's cold out, I mean, it's not like it's not like it's going to feel like summer behind here. It's still going to be cold, so I don't think it's going to be worth for me to switch it out. So yeah, I think I'll stick to the 6.5. That'll be my daily driver. And yep, I'll use that one.
Alright guys, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, these were the two Memphis Shades fairings, 6.5-inch and the 10-inch. If you guys are interested in one of these shields, make sure to hit them up on Instagram, Memphis Shades, or their website, memphishades.com. And again, just a big thank you to you guys for the support. You guys been supporting me for a while now, so love the company and thanks for the partnership, guys. Anyways, catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.